Hello and welcome to another episode of Trains Up. Today we're back at Tonbridge on the Southeastern main line. So today we'll be seeing services from Southern, Southeastern and maybe a bit of freight as well. To kick things off is the 1040 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Dover Priory, by a pair of Class 375s. Leading the way is 375702. On the rear is 375923. Right, there she is. And over there is 377325, which will be working the 1101 Southern service to Red Hill. So yeah, I thought I'd come back to Tonbridge today. So I've got a few freight trains running. Got a Stoke Gifford to Allington Freightliner service, a Collis Rail test train, and what else do we have? There's something else as well, but I forgot. Yeah, there is something else, but I'll show you later when she comes. I'll quickly check what time train is now. But approaching in eventually will be the 1040 Southeastern service from somewhere to Charing Cross. I've not looked yet, but I'll let you know when she comes in. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video here at Tonbridge. Alright, so yeah, this is the 1043 Southeastern service that's about to come in from Hastings to London Charing Cross. And the other freight train I was thinking of is Mountfield to Southampton, the gypsum train. So yeah, I'll get that coming through in about 2 hours time for me, but for you in probably about 10-15 minutes hopefully. Should be 66797, the Beacon Rail delivered one, so yeah, look forward to seeing that. So yeah, next train should be the 1043 service from Hastings to London Charing Cross. I'll get it coming in a second. Okay, approaching in now is the 1043 Southeastern service from Hastings to London Charing Cross, by a pair of 375s. Leading the way is 375804, and I'll get the rear when she goes out. Lovely. Okay, getting ready to depart is the 1043 Southeastern service from Hastings to London Charing Cross. 375804 takes this one out with a, sounds like a 66 playing with the horns behind me. On the rear is 375609. And she goes. Next up for her is could be Hildenborough, but could be Sevenoaks as well. And she goes off to London Charing Cross. Okay, approaching in now is the 1057 Southeastern service to Tonbridge and Hastings. The rear is four-car set will detach and terminate here. Leading the way is 375811. No, 911, get it right. And the unit terminating here is going to be 375904. Oh wait, no, hold on, it's a 12 car. Oh, so no, 904 and 911 will be going to Hastings, and it's 375802 that's terminating here. So she'll head off into the sidings later on, in about 10 minutes. Right, there you go, 375802, 904 and 911. Alright, next train to, well, technically turn up and pass through at the same time. So I think it's got to wait for this 377 to go first. Here's a pair of networkers. 375802 is just detaching. There's a pair of networkers from Tonbridge Rails to Tonbridge Jubilee Sidings. So it'll be stopping here, then it'll be heading off into the sidings. I think she's going to be waiting for 377325 to go out though, which will be working the 1101 Southern service. Oh no, it's an 8 car. Alright, went up here, so I thought it was going to be a 10 car. Alright, I'll get going out in a second then. Okay, our pair of networkers, looks like they're going first. 465165 is leading this one. On the rear is 465012. There they go on ECS from Tonbridge Wells to Tonbridge Jubilee Sidings. And she'll be followed shortly by the 1101 Southern service to Red Hill. Oh hello. Who are you? I've got a few networkers coming around the corner. Well, 37582 is now heading into Sidings. But I've got some networkers coming in. I don't know what that's doing. What's going on there? Yeah, the brake's releasing like mad. Interesting. Well, I'm just going to double check what this networker is, and I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, right, 37582 is now heading into the Sidings. And them networkers are working Slade Green to Ashford Down Sidings, ECS. So, yes. Then goes 37582. Little depot whistle there when he's going into the Sidings. Oh, let me just look behind me. No, he's not got the signal, it's a red signal for him. So he'll come through momentarily once the Hastings service clears. Okay, here come our 465s from Slade Green TNR SMD to Ashford Down Sidings. What's that? That's 465184 leading this one. Taking with her 465911. There she goes all the way to Ashford Down Sidings. Okay, next train should be the Southern service, which goes out in about 1 minute. Okay, to find out now is 377325 with the 1101 Southern service starting here at Tonbridge to Red Hill via Edenbridge. Away she goes. Stop for LB Lie. Here comes the driver that's just got off 37584, now walking back to the station. There she goes. Okay, arriving in extremely early, about 5 minutes early, is the 1107 Southeastern service from Dover Priory to London Charing Cross. It's currently 1102 and that goes out 1107, so that's interesting. And we have the Stoke Gifford to Allington freight service due to pass through in about 3 minutes, so I'm going to keep an eye on that signal. And leading this service is 37582. I'll get going out in about 5 minutes time then.
Platform 2 for
yes.
11:00.
Okay, to find out now is 37582. For goodness sake, this announcement.
Sunday, 4th of
It's
February,
37582 with the 1107 Southeastern service from Dover Priory to London Charing Cross.
Between Sevenoaks and Paddockwood and between Sevenoaks and Woodhurst. For more information, please visit southeasternrailway.co.uk or follow us on Twitter at SE_railway.
rocketing over them set of points. On the rear is 375 714 Rochester Cathedral. There she goes, next stop for us, Sevenoaks. Don't know if you can hear that in the distance. You can hear the wagons going over the points. And passing through now is the Freightliner, is going to be a Freightliner Class 66 from Stoke Gifford to Allington Sidings. Or Allington Hanson aggregates, if you want to be specific about it. Here she comes. Oh, it's a 59. Oh, get in there. Yes, please. $59,202. Oh, 66,502 even. Ashford Hall, Centenary, 2001. I thought it was a 59 because it looked like 59 from the front and it was in the Genesee and Wyoming livery. But no, it was a 66.5, wasn't it 502? Yeah, 66.502 there. Oh, damn it, I thought it was a 59, it looked like 59 from the front. Anyway, there's 375 715, that's working the... Oh, well, I'm actually not too sure, but I'll let you know in a second what she's working. Okay, to find out now is the 1111 Southeastern service from Hastings to London Charing Cross. As the service is coming in behind me, bound for Ramsgate and Canterbury West for 375 710 leading. Rochester Castle. Seven 5826 on the rear of that one, and on the rear of this service, absolutely no chance. I'll have to walk. Oh, it's a dash 3. Oh, hello to you too. It's a dash 3. We're walking up to see this one. This is my some quite local to dash 3s. So obviously I live on the Medway Valley line. I think that's 375 306 there. Happy days. So yeah, 306 and 710 off to Ramsgate via Canterbury West. I also forgot to say thanks to the driver for the 2-tone on the previous service going out of Tonbridge. And here goes 710 and 306 heading to Ramsgate via Canterbury West. I was only on 306 a few days ago actually. So I've still got 2 more things I want to see. Collisrail test train, which I think is done by some 73s. And Mountfield to Southampton, but I've still got a bit of a wait for them yet. I think the Collisrail test train's not too far off now. But yeah, see what else turns up here at Tonbridge. Okay, finally about to approaching now, after about quite a mammoth wait for me, about a 10-minute wait, is going to be the heavily delayed 1121 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Hastings. This is running about, well, by the time it leaves, probably about 9 minutes late. There she is. This announcement is actually getting on my bloody nerves. Three 375 815 and 375 827 storming into Tonbridge. Well, no surprise he's storming into Tonbridge. He's running nearly 10 minutes late, so it's got to make up that time somehow. Right, she goes off to Hastings via Tunbridge Wells. Okay, approaching it now is the 1137 Southeastern service from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross. We're by a pair of Class 375s again. Leading the way is 375 627, I think that is. Yep, 375 627.
Platform 2 for the 1137
Alright, I'll get it going out in a second then.
London.
Okay, to find out now is the 11:37 Southeastern service from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross. Leading this one is 375627. For 375601, driver doing a brake test. I like when I do the brake test. Just quickly slap it into step 1 and straight back into full beans. And I go 601 and 627 from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross. I've got an array of services turning up here. So the first service to turn up is the, well, it's not a timed service, it's terminating. This is the Terminating Southern service from Red Hill. Then we have the 11:40 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Dover Priory coming in. And then we have the 11:45 Southeastern service from Hastings to London Charing Cross. This is 377312 taking this one in. Some 312, and then if I turn around behind me, here comes the Dover Priory service, the 11:40. Three 75814. And 375922 with the Pride logo on the side. That's the unit I've wanted to catch today. I want to catch like the special ones. So all I've got left now to catch is 829 and 607 if they are on today. Well, that's a sudden stop. Jesus Christ. Literally whacked it, that's the word. You must have whacked it straight into step 3 there. Jesus. Yeah, 607 with the white ribbon, and 829 has like Verena Holmes on the side or something like that. So yeah, hopefully I'll catch the other 2 units with the or something special on the side. Anyway, the 11:45 service just turn up in a second, so I'll get it coming in a second then. Right, approaching it now is the 10:45 Southeastern service from Hastings to London Charing Cross. This is 375. What's this? 375 816 on this one.
Factory 2 for the 11:45 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross. Calling at Tonbridge,
I'll get going out in a second then. Okay, to find out now is the 11:45 Southeastern service from Hastings to London Charing Cross. 375816 will be taking this one out. Her next stop is Hildenborough, I think. On the rear is 375830. There's the brake test. Well, not really a brake test, you just cut the power. There she goes. Very slow. Don't be afraid to put the power down, Chief. Yes. There she goes, applying the power. Well, I should have the 73s on the test train in about 20 minutes, hopefully. I think they're coming into the platform. I don't think they're actually going on the down fast or the up fast, so yeah, that should be a nice little treat to see. And should have 66797 later on from Mountfield to Southampton, so yes, we shall see what else turns up here at Tonbridge. Okay, so I'm currently charging my phone, as you can see, because my phone's quite low on battery. But approaching it now is the slightly delayed 11:54 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Hastings via Tonbridge Wells. Leading this one is 375-615. And on the rear of this set is 375-811, 811. I'll give my phone a bit more juice and I'll head back up the platform. Looks like she had a bit of graffiti at some point. There's a train spoiler up there as well. Right, there she is. Okay, to find out now is the slightly delayed 11:54 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Hastings via Tunbridge Wells. 73s are not too far away now, so yeah, should be a few more clips away. There she goes, and this Southern service behind me is about to go in about 2 minutes, so I'm going to quickly head up the platform and get her going out. I think my phone's charged enough now. Okay. Head to find out now is the 12:01 Southern service to Red Hill via Edenbridge. 377312 leads this one out. I say leads, it's just by itself. Away she goes. I think these 73s are still quite a bit off yet. I think about 15 minutes away, 10-15 minutes away. So, and I've checked as well. They're coming in through the up fast. So if it's coming from that direction up to there, so I'm guessing it's going to the Royal Mail terminal, and it'll be reversing back down to go into the yard. I'm guessing that's what they're doing, but I'll let you know in a second. There you go. 73. Oh, is she coming out? Wait, what? Oh, there's a 73 on the move. Just saw the clag there. Is she coming out or something? Ooh, oh, unless it's just shunting. I don't know. It might be just shunting this. Yeah, I think it's just shunting. Yeah, tail lights on, so she's probably just come. I thought she was going to come out then. I was like, what? No, she's just come out a little bit. Now she's going to go onto, I don't know, another siding. Oh, nice. I don't know what the number is, but there she is. Okay, approaching it now is the 12:07 Southeastern service from Dover Priory to London Charing Cross.
Train now arrived on platform number 2, your 12:07 Charing Cross service, going at 7.
I just said that. I didn't say that. Didn't say that. I said that.
Charing Cross now arrived on platform at number 2.
Didn't say that. But what I can say, it's a 4 car, so yes, sound a bit different from an 8 car. I'll get going out in a second, and I'll get the number when she storms off. And arriving in now is the 12:10 Southeastern service from Charing Cross to Ramsgate via Canterbury West. So leading this one is 375-608. The return of 375-608, shall I say. And 375-915, and here goes the service to London Charing Cross. 375805 off to London Charing Cross. Absolutely storming out of Tonbridge. It's the norm for the 4 cars, they go really fast out of here. Right, there she goes. Right, now approaching in is the 1213 Southeastern service from Hastings to London Charing Cross.
13 Southeastern service to
Don't want to bore you with 375s through this whole film, so this might be the last film I'll film with a Oh, hello. I see you back there. I can see the 73s coming down. I thought they're coming down from behind, from London way, but no, looks like she's coming down that way. So the 73s are on their way down. So yeah, I'll get these 375s coming out in a second. And this 375 in front is 375617. And there comes the 73s on New Cross to Tonbridge West Yard. Okay, our 73s are coming in from New Cross to Tonbridge West Yard on the test train. This is 1 Quebec 74 this is on. And 375617 is now off. $73,961 Allison, and I think 7396 was it 964 or 965? Des O'Brien, nice tone from the driver there. 965 I think that was. Des O'Brien on the rear. Take that. Happy days. I was kind of expecting that tone. There she goes. Nice bit of a thrash when she spooled up a little bit. Smells amazing as well. And she goes into the yard from New Cross. Nice driver on it as well, nice tone. Happy days, I'll take that any day. Here she goes. Okay, approaching in now is the 1221 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Hastings via Tunbridge Wells. An absolutely filthy 375 leading this one. Oh, come on, just give them a clean, like, Jesus Christ. 375609 again. And 375804 again. Yeah, 375s are getting really filthy now. It's a shame I don't think Southeastern looks after them, you know. But they're just like you see Southern 377s and they're spotless, most of them. And Southeastern 375s are just absolutely filthy. That's probably not been cleaned for a good like year and a half. The Southeastern 377s have been recently scrubbed inside and out, and they look spotless. 375s, are just like, they don't really care about 375s, they just let them do their own thing. Let them get filthy, let them get bloody, oh, Jesus Christ. There's 804 and 609 again, off to Hastings. So the driver of the 73 has just walked down, he's just walking there. He walked past me, and the first thing he said was, "You jumped when I blew that horn, didn't you?" I was like, "Yep." Yeah, I did jump a little bit. Yeah, no, really friendly driver. He was like, "You jumped when I blew that horn, didn't you?" Yeah, that was funny. Really nice driver. Yeah, shout out to that driver there. Really friendly. Yeah, he's laughing at me because I jumped at the horn. What a legend. Okay, happy days. I didn't know this was actually going to run. I didn't check this. I forgot to check this. Coming down now, about to come through Tonbridge, is a lot loco move from Grain Oil Terminal to Tonbridge West Yard. This is either 66793 or 794. It's always one of the two. And it is. It's in the BR construction livery. So it's either 793 or 794. I hope it's 794. I prefer 794 a lot more. Happy days. Didn't know this was actually going to run. So this is something else to see. Get in there. Sorry for the wonky camera work. I'm just checking behind me at the signal. Get in there. Didn't know that this was actually going to run. Happy days. That guy's like, oh crap, gotta get my camera quick. He's not got the signal yet. Nope. Yeah, no nameplate. So this is 66793, this one. Lovely. 66793 from Grey Hill Terminal to Tonbridge West Yard. Look at that. Nice livery. That can do a bit of a redo though. Paint's falling off of that. Right, just wait for her to for the signal to change now. Lovely. And approaching now is the Terminating Southern service from Red Hill with 377325 returning. Okay, she should be ready to go into the yard. Right, to find out now is the 1237 Southeastern service from Ramsgate to London. And once she goes out, 793 will be cleared into the yard. So this is 375825. Nope, 925 even. .925 to Charing Cross, and 793 is now cleared into the yard. She goes into the yard from Grey Hill Terminal. And when the GBRF driver walked up, he had a chat with the driver of that 66 and he said that's his last shift. He's done for the day now. So I think he took it this morning from Colnbrook to Grain on the jet fuel train. So that's his shift now done. Okay, I've switched to tripod film for the 66 so I want to get some photos. Back to the part is the 1301 Southern service to Red Hill, which will be 377325. And then the 66 is due in about 5 minutes, I think. It's not too far off now. So yeah, I'll get the Southern unit going out in a second. Okay, to find out now is the 1301 Southern service to Red Hill. 377325 will be taking this one out. Right, 377325 off to Red Hill. Next train should be the 66. Well, actually no, I think there might be a Ramsgate to Charing Cross service in front, so this might go out first, then the 66. Okay, approaching in now is the 1307 Southeastern service from Dover Priory to Charing Cross. Wait, no, maybe not. 66 has gone in front of it. Alright, no. Let's try that again. So Oh, the 66 coming this side. Oh, that makes sense. Right, here's 66797 from Mountfield Sidings to Southampton. That makes sense for it to go that side, to be fair. Lovely, here we go, 66797 from Mountfield to Southampton, GBRF. Right, 66797 to Southampton West Docks from Mountfield Sidings. Lovely. And the 375 behind me is from Dover Priory to Charing Cross, not Ramsgate. It's the 1307. Right, I'll get the 66 going out in a second then, or the 375. Alright, the pine out now is the 1307 Southeastern service from Dover Priory to Charing Cross. And once she goes out, 797 should be clear to head down to Southampton. So yeah, 375 just heading out now. Three 75923. Right, 66 should be due to go now. Well, in a second anyway. Okay, she's about to get the signal and she's off. Sounding amazing there, 66797 down to Southampton from Mountfield Sidings. Yeah, chuffed for that, and that is the final train of the video. So thank you all very much for watching. It's been really appreciated. I really do enjoy coming to Tonbridge. It's such a great station to come to. Variety's not great, only in the mornings and peak times when you've got the networkers. But not like we're not seeing any networkers, but not as many networks as I'd like to see. Here's 375601 coming in to Ramsgate via Canterbury West, and my train is the next one to Dover Priory. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and until next time in the next Trains Out video, I shall see you all later. And on the rear of this is 375627. So yeah, I'll see you in the next Trains Out video. Thank you very much for watching, and take care guys, see you later.